I couldn't believe that this one was even possible. Insane. Watch until the end because you will understand what I'm talking about. Hello guys, from Iacopelli. Let me park, hold on a sec. Woohoo! Turn it off, make sure everything is in place. Hello guys from Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Like the title says, I found the best frozen pizza we'll see in my hometown, Puglia. So let's go ahead inside together, let's meet the owner, let's see what this video is about. Let's go, I'm excited. And make sure, watch until the end. I see you. Buongiorno.
Vito.
Come stai? Tutto bene?
Bene.
I hope you speak English.
Oh, absolutely yes.
Fantastic.
Not so well like you, but I can try.
I'm gonna sit down because this is going
please,
to be
man.
super interesting. Francesco, can you explain us the secret of your pizza dough?
Absolutely yes.
The secret,
Vito.
can we say the secret?
I don't know if we can say the secret, but we
My
can
channel
try,
is no secret.
Maybe only for you and your follower.
That's what I'm talking about. For this, you need to subscribe. Okay, please tell me the recipe. Well, the recipe. Tell me the ingredients that you use and the process, if you can.
So, Vito, we make our pizza dough with local ingredient, just 4 of them. Fresh yeast, local sea salt, extra virgin olive oil made here in Locorotondo, Apulia, and we use custom flour made just for us, organic flour. Here I try to explain you how we make our fresh frozen pizza dough. Everything starts with putting ingredient in the mixer. The first of all is water, of course, and the hour's flour. Then we use fresh yeast, we put some salt, and at the end of this process we waiting 20 minutes and we adding the olive oil. When the dough is ready, we put it in our special machine and transform it from dough to balls. Then come in a second machine that finish the hour's balls. And our pastry chef Luisella take the bowl and put it in the tray. After this we put the tray in the hour's blast freezer, and in a couple of hours the dough became completely frozen and we can go to the next step. We take off the hour tray and we use another machine that wrapped the hour's bowl into a custom brand bag with all the information about the hour's product. With the hour's QR code you can see how to handle the hour's dough balls, and you can use it to make the best pizza, the best panzerotto, to make bread for all your family. And then, Vito, this is our process.
My God, wow, guys, I hope you understand. I want to say from my professional point is very natural process.
Yeah.
You use just 4 ingredients, which is local ingredients.
Absolutely.
So, my friend, this is for me?
No, Vito, I have a bigger one for you.
Which one is it?
This is for you, not that one.
That's what I'm talking about.
This is for you, man.
So this is the big one with everything,
Yes, with
everything
all
normal.
our dough.
What's this?
This is the hour's special edition.
Oh my God, special edition, guys.
It's an Italian flag.
Italian flag, but wait, we have to stop this here. We got green. This is gonna be, tell me in comment if you guys wanna see this, because if it depends on your comment, if they say go for it, I'm coming back here and show you everything about those. But this is everything.
A mix, yes. This is a mix.
This is what I use in my pizzeria. Grazie, Francesco.
Thank you, Vito.
I super
See
appreciate
you
it. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead home and then I'll see you in a week when I finish to shoot all my videos. I'm gonna go ahead and test this pizza dough. Thank you so much, Francesco.
Thank you too, Vito.
I hope this will fit in my
Have
car.
a nice day, Vito.
Bye, ciao, Francesco.
Bye.
Italian style, I wanna say. Sit here, my baby. Sit right there. Whew. I hope it's gonna go on. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Wait, I'm going to test this. It's not over yet. It's not over yet, this video. Okay guys, it's been a week after we went to visit the company, so it's time to go ahead and test these dough balls. So this is how they come out. We're gonna put 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nice and frozen dough balls. Voila. So the only thing that you're gonna do here is just simple. One, I'm getting old. I'm gonna show that it's frozen. The package is really good. Okay, that's the frozen dough balls. Let's go ahead and let's place the dough balls in a box. So what I'm gonna do here, close it, place this in the fridge. Pay attention to this. I'm gonna leave that overnight in the fridge, and then I'm gonna keep it at room temperature for 2 hours. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna go ahead, take it out, leave it at room temperature for 2 hours, warm up the oven, and then boom, 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 we're gonna make the pizzas. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. Here we go, 2 hours pass by, and let's see the dough if it's approved on the timing of fermentation. That's what they say, 2 hours. So let's go ahead, 3, 2, 1, boom, voila. Yes, yes, it come out good. Let me see, right here. How is it? I think it's good. Nice and soft. Texture is good, nice and soft. Let's see the inside really quick. Let's put some flour. I'm gonna put less flour, this way you guys can see the bottom. And let's check out the fermentation. That's just dough. Yeah, it's soft, it's nice and fermented. The consistency is really good, not too soft and not too hard. So now, let's go ahead and let's put the dough in the flour. So let's go ahead and let's make the pizza. Guys, keep in mind, the oven, it's hot. So we're gonna go ahead and stretch the pizza. Let's see how easy it is. Texture is really good. Let's go ahead and let's flip it over. We're gonna put the top part on top. Take off the flour. We don't need it because it's nice and good hydration amount, I have to say. Final step. Make it big, let's find the spot, and voila. It's just, we're gonna make a classic margherita. You guys can make whatever you want, but to see and test the pizza, it needs to be a margherita. So let's go ahead and scoop, go around, here we go, done. Olive oil. Because you are cooking the pizza in the home oven, we need to go ahead and get my nice G-metal peel for home use too. Let's go ahead and pinch it, voila. And we have to part bake the pizza because again, this pizza is cooking in the home oven. If you're cooking this one for business, you can go ahead and just cook it all the way. But now, let's focus on this. Let's set the temperature on pizza. Watch out your face. I'm having the oven at the max temperature. Let's go ahead, one shot, boom, voila. Close it, and now we wait about 3 to 4 minutes, the time that it gets nice and gold. Here we go. Let's go ahead then. Let's take it out. 3 minutes is best by. Watch your face, nice and gold. And this is the pizza. Voila. Let's go ahead. Let's finish up this pizza with some pecorino cheese, some nice fresh basil that we need to break it on the pizza. And now let's go ahead and let's put the fresh mozzarella. The reason why I do the double cook is to not burn the cheese or the toppings, because when it cooks for about 3 to 4 minutes or 7 minutes or so, it gets you get burned everything. So you need to taste everything nicely and balance. So let's go ahead and let's put olive oil even on top of the crust. This way it helps to cook nice and gold color the crust and makes it nice and crispy. Let's go ahead and let's put it back the pizza in the oven. Boom. Let's set up the pizza cooking. Actually, we can put it even on the conveyor. Now we cook until the mozzarella starts to bubble and we're ready to see this product. Here we go, guys. The pizza mozzarella starts to bubble. Oh, I made it nice and crispy. Ooh, wow, wow, wow. It come out nice, lovely, really crispy. It come out really good. We have the crunchy, we have the soft. Look at this part, it looks like it was cooking in a wood burning oven. Let's see the bottom 1 second. They come out really good. Wow. So now let's go ahead and let's finish up the pizza with a nice Parmesan a little bit everywhere, even on top of the crust, while it's really, really hot. Let's finish up the pizza with a nice green color to give it a nice look. So guys, what can I say? It's been a week in the freezer, but I believe even if you keep it for 2-3 months, in the freezer is gonna be good. This product, by looking, is excellent. So take a look, it's soft, you get the crunchy from the top, you get the little nice Neapolitan look, you get a nice New York style look. And most importantly, it's 100% made in Puglia. So it's a local, real, made in Italy. You guys saw that. So now it's time to cut this beast and voila, that's what I'm talking about. The fantastic alveoli, nice, full of air, the crust, and this is what fermentation is supposed to be like. Now, like my friend Guga say, enough talking and let's get into this pizza. Ready to see if this pizza dough is approved by Maestro Iacopelli. Let's see. First, the middle part. Now the crust. Nice, full of air. Let's see. It's perfect fragrance. Wow. Okay, I have to say this. This pizza doesn't look at all that comes from a frozen pizza dough. After all, I have to say this pizza dough, it's approved by Maestro Iacopelli. Insane job, guys. Test it. Taste it. You have to taste it. I'll see you at the next one. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please go ahead and subscribe. And remember, comment below the question that I asked you a little bit before in this video. I'll see you at the next one. Thank you so much, guys. Finish this piece.